Research shows that a forward collision avoidance system might have prevented or lessened the severity of injuries in 79% of rear-end crashes. Mobileye's collision avoidance system gives you time to react. Mobileye's camera constantly scans the road ahead. The AI-powered IQ4 chip processes, analyzes, and identifies pedestrians, cyclists, vehicles, lanes, and signs to detect potential dangers and warn drivers with real-time alerts day and night. Pedestrian and cyclist collision warning. Lane departure warning. Headway monitoring and warning. Forward collision warning. Mobileye Connect platform gives concrete insights into driver performance so you can give your drivers the support they need. More than 50 million vehicles worldwide are equipped with Mobileye Driver Assist technology. No need to purchase new vehicles. Mobileye 8 Connect is a safety system that can be retrofitted into almost any vehicle. Connected to the cloud, your systems will automatically update, so your technology purchase is future-proofed.
Hello, Adam.
Hello again, Navdy.
Fastest route found to Early Bird Cafe.
You and me, we're busy people. And being busy means checking your phone, even when you're not supposed to. Even when you're on the road. But now there's Navdy. Hold on, I gotta get this. Casey, talk to me.
Hey Adam, quick reminder. First thing today is that coffee with Connie and Greg at the Early Bird.
Already on my way. See, what's brilliant about Navdy is that...
Faster route found, automatically rerouting to save 10 minutes.
Perfect. Never been this way before. I'm gonna switch to Navdy Dash. See, what's so brilliant about Navdy is its display is focused in the distance, so your eyes are never off the road. It's also 40 times brighter than your smartphone, and it dims automatically, so it's easy to see day or night. In fact, it works... Sorry, gotta take this one too.
Greg and I actually want to do Roy's Cafe out on 62, smiley face.
Oh, awesome. Luckily, Roy's is one of my favorites. Navdy uses Google Maps and built-in offline maps, so you'll never get lost, like out here in the desert. And it's connected to your car, which means that...
Low on gas. Rerouting to nearest gas station.
Text Connie, be there in 15.
You have arrived.
Car washing was a big trouble for many people. It is time-consuming, labor-consuming, and it cost money. Actually, that is not true once you have Norshire at hand. Norshire may be the world's first smart multifunctional car washing kit, making car washing easy, fast, and free of charge. The water source could be directly from a water bottle or external sources such as our foldable water bucket. It takes only 15 seconds to set up and 10 minutes to complete the car washing, saving 80% of the time. The cleaning process is neat and easy without making a mess. Norshire is very compact in size, but can be kept in the trunk for everyday use. No matter how wild your trip is, your car will always remain tidy. Norshire requires no external power. Get fully charged within 3 hours through USB charging port. Norshire could serve as a portable jump starter. It's also a power bank for your outdoor usage. It can also be used as a warning sign. Norshire has 3 preset modes for various situations. You can easily switch from the water spray gun to spray brush. Not just for the car washing. It's a multifunctional must-have kit for every car owners. With Norshire, you can save those money for an exotic trip that you well deserved. Norshire, one kit for every car owner.
Meet Lanmodo, the world's first 4-season automatic car tent that offers all-in-one vehicle protection, portable power source, and travel shelter. Lanmodo offers year-round absolute protection for any vehicle. With only 30 seconds to set up and 8 seconds to open or close, it's designed with you in mind. One charge and you're ready to go for up to 45 days. With cutting-edge 3-layer PU silver-coated technology, Lanmodo products from bird drops, dust, sap, acid rain, and is incredibly easy to clean. The reflective polyester film keeps your vehicle incredibly cool on hot days. It even works well in low temperatures and protects your vehicle against snow or hail. In snowy day, you can set up the automatic shaking snow system on the top of Lanmodo, and no worries to clean snow anymore. We've included high-strength fiberglass and tough materials to protect your car from falling objects. The 4-season tent is secured to the roof of the car with extra-strength suction cups. 2 layers canopy makes it more windproof, and the 4-wind ropes allows Lanmodo to withstand strong winds up to 30 miles per hour. We've designed Lanmodo to be large enough to protect any car, and still packed down small enough to fit snugly in the trunk of your car. Additional flaps transforms Lanmodo into various shelters for outdoor activities, like a beach umbrella, a camping tent, and so much more. We've even included a USB port for charging or powering your devices on the go. Anywhere you're going, we've got you covered.
Why should you use BlueDriver? Because it turns your smartphone or tablet into a powerful yet affordable professional OBD2 scan tool that lets you scan and understand your vehicles. BlueDriver is the tool professionals use to save time and money. When you scan your vehicle with BlueDriver, not only will you get the trouble codes, but you'll get a list of all the possible causes and reported fixes. BlueDriver is simple to use. Download the free app, plug the sensor into your OBD2 port, and pair it with your device via Bluetooth. That's it. You've got everything you need, and there's nothing extra to buy, ever. See how easy it is to scan and read the trouble codes? Then when the issue is fixed, use BlueDriver to turn the check engine light off. With BlueDriver, you can view live data of your vehicle's engine, charging and cooling systems. Check to see if you'll pass the smog check. You can also perform enhanced diagnostics and read and clear airbag, transmission, ABS, and other module codes.